Ah, way they go. Manila's Jam Scout Ranger Navratilova and running by the rails for Seamaster alongside JSC Sorowar, while Fire Prince is the early trailer Scout Ranger Navratilova. Manila's Gem racing in third by Sam Trilang Seamaster. Sodowar rushing up now to take fourth. JST Fire Prince nearing the last 700 Scout Ranger Navratilova. Sodowar racing from the outside. Manila's Gem down on the inside. And rounding the far turn, Scout Ranger Navratilova. Manila's Gem rushing up from the outside together with Sodowar. Last 450, Manila's Gem, Sodowar from the outside, Scout Ranger Navratilova as they race the final corner. Manila's Gem, Scout Ranger, Sodowar on the further outside. Last 250, Sodowar, Manila's Gem in the middle. Sodowar, Manila's Gem down on the inside, fighting up for the lead. But Sodowar this time by some 2 lengths now over Manila's Gem. And finally, number 3, Sodowar. Manila's Gem, Navratilova, close, JST, and Scout Ranger Seamaster.